Hello everyone. In last lecture we seen that law of gearing and velocity of sliding. So today we are going to derive equation to find out the path of contact of two meshing gears. So see here, this is a diagram. In this diagram, see here, this is O1, O1 is center, this is nothing but what, pinion, okay, and this O2, O2 is the center of wheel. These are the two gears meshing with each other. Suppose this is a larger gear known as a wheel, and this is smaller gear, this is known as a pinion. Both are in contact with each other, okay. These are meshing with each other, okay. So we are going to find out the path of contact. So see, this figure shows that this r is nothing but what, radius of this wheel, okay. So this ra is nothing but what, radius of addendum circle of this wheel. Next is what, this small r is nothing but what, this radius of this pinion. Small ra is nothing but what, radius of addendum circle of this pinion, okay. So see here, this pinion rotates in clockwise direction. Here pinion rotates in clockwise direction. This is what in clockwise direction, and this wheel rotates in, this is what, in anti-clockwise direction. That means both are rotates in opposite direction. So see here, this m to l, this is what, nothing but what, common normal passing through this fixed point. This fixed point is nothing but what, this p. When the pinion rotates in clockwise direction, we earlier said that the contact between pair of involute two begins at this point K, where it begins at this point K and ends at the point of this L. Okay. Next, Mn is a what, common normal to the point of contact and common tangent to the base circle. So this Mn, where is this this Mn? Mn is nothing but what, we already seen that this Mn is nothing but what, common normal at the point of contact. At the point of contact is point of P and common tangent to the base circles. So base circles, see here, these are the base circles. This is what common tangent, this is base circles. The point K is the intersection of the addendum circle of wheel and common tangent. So this point K, if we see here, this point K, this is what, intersection of this wheel. So from this wheel, intersection of this point, this, so K is what, here intersection will be there, okay. And common tangent. Point L is the intersection point of the addendum circle of pinion and common tangent. So this point L, so this point L, if we see here, this point L is what, this is what, addendum intersection to this addendum circle. So this is what, this outer surface, if this is nothing but what, addendum circle of this pinion, and this L is what, intersecting point of this, and this is what, nothing but what, common tangent. We have discussed that length of path of contact is the length of common normal cut by the addendum circles of the wheel and pinion. So see here, length of path of contact, this is nothing but what, length of common normal cut by the addendum circles of the wheel and pinion. So see here, the wheel, the intersection point of this wheel, addendum circle of this wheel is nothing but what, this K, and this addendum circle cut point or intersection point for the pinion, this is nothing but what, L. So simply KL is nothing but what, path of length of path of contact. So this KL is nothing but what, length of path of contact. So because why, this is what, this cuts the addendum circles of the pinion and wheel. Thus the length of path of contact KL, which is sum of the length of path of contacts KP and PL. So KP and PL. So see here in this figure, this KL is nothing but what, this KL. So where is KL? This KL. Here K and here L. This is path of contact. This path of contact is nothing but what, this KP. So see here, this Kp plus this Pl, both of addition of both of these two we got here is equal to KL, and KL is nothing but what? Path of contact. So KP is nothing but what? Path of approach, and PL is nothing but what? Path of recess. The addition of path of approach and path of recess is nothing but what? Length of path of contact. So we are going to derive this equation. The part of, again, the part of path of contact KP is known as the path of approach, we told earlier, and the part of path of contact PL is known as path of recess, we earlier told that. Okay, let's see here. RA is equal to what? O1L, radius of addendum circle of pinion. We earlier said that the RA is nothing but, small r is there, small r is nothing but what? This is a radius of addendum circle of the pinion. So RA is nothing but what is here? O1L. This O1 is nothing but what? RA. Okay, this is what? Radius of addendum circle. In that figure, see here, this is O1L, this is nothing but what? RA, radius of addendum circle of pinion. Okay, next, see here, capital RA is equal to what? O2K. This is what? Radius of addendum circle of field. So see, this is O2K. So O2K is nothing but what? This O2K. This is what? RA, radius, capital RA. This is what? Radius of addendum circle of wheel. Okay. Next, small r is nothing but what? Small r is what? O1P. So this O1P, this is what? Small r is equal to what? Small r is nothing but what? Radius of P circle of pinion. Okay. Capital R is equal to what? O2P. Capital R is what? O2, this P, and this is nothing but what? Radius of P circle of the wheel. So from figure we find that radius of base circle of pinion. Now see here, this O1P. So this O1M, sorry, this O1M is nothing but what? OP1 into cos of phi. We have the angle. So suppose take this triangle. If we take this triangle, the triangle is like, so I will erase here. This triangle is like that, this triangle. Okay, so here O1 will be here. Okay, this M will be here and P will be here. So in this triangle, if we want to find out the O1M, so O1M is nothing but what? O1P into cos of phi. So O1P is equal to nothing but what? Radius of this pinion. So simply put here, instead of O1P, put R. So we got here this equation, O1M is equal to R into cos of phi, and the radius of base circle of wheel, this is nothing but what? The radius of the pinion circle, that is what? R into cos of phi. Okay, now next, radius of base circle of wheel. Now radius of base circle of wheel is nothing but what? O2, this O2N, O2N is nothing but what? O2P into cos of phi. So O2P is nothing but what? Capital R is nothing but what? Radius of P circle of the wheel. So see here, O2N is equal to R into cos of phi. So from the right angle triangle O2KN. So see here, O2KN. So this O2KN, okay, from triangle KN is nothing but, so KN is nothing but, this KN is nothing but from triangle. Suppose this triangle will be like here. See here, this is O2 will be here. Okay, K will be here, and this N will be here. So simply we have to find out this Kn. So we must know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so see here, Kn is nothing but what? Under root O2k square minus O2n square. Okay, so see here, O2k is nothing but what? Radius of addendum circle of the wheel. So simply put here, instead of O2k, put here RA square. Okay, minus O2n is nothing but what? We already seen here, O2n is nothing but what? R, capital R into cos of phi. So simply put here RA square minus R square into cos square of phi. So this is what Kn, we got here Kn. Now we have to find out the Pn. So Pn is nothing but what? See here, this P2n, we have to find out this Pn. So Pn is nothing but what? O2p into sine of phi. This is what from this triangle we got here. Pn is equal to what? O2p into sine of phi. So O2p is nothing but what? Again, this is what the capital R, this is nothing but what? Radius of the base circle of the wheel. So simply Pn is equal to R into sine of phi. Therefore length of path of contact or path of approach, this Kp is equal to Kn minus Pn. Okay, this is our path of approach. Kp is nothing but what we see earlier, that Kp plus Pl, this is what the KL is a path of contact. Okay, so simply this is equal to what? Kp plus Pl. So simply Kp is nothing but what? We seen that path of approach. So Kp is equal to here, this Kp is equal to Kn minus Pn. So Kn minus this Pn. So simply we got here Kp. So we got the value of Kn. What is the value of Kn? Under root Ra square minus R square into cos square of phi. And again Pn, we got the value of Pn, that is capital R into sine of phi. So simply Kp is equal to, if we put the both values, if we put the value of this, okay, and value of this and the value of this into this equation, so simply we got here Kp is equal to under root in bracket Ra square minus capital R square into cos square phi minus R into sine of phi. This is what the path of approach. Okay, now we are going to see the path of recess. Okay, so similarly from right angle triangle O1 ML. Okay, so see here, from this triangle, see here, this O1 ML, from this triangle, suppose this triangle will be like here is a O1, this is M and this is L. Okay, so we have to find out here ML. So ML is nothing but what? We again here applying the Pythagoras theorem. We must know the Pythagoras theorem. This is what? ML. We have to find out this ML. ML is equal to under root O1 L square minus O1 M square. Okay, so O1L, this O1L, this is nothing but what we seen here. This is a what? Ra, this small ra is nothing but what? R is nothing but what? Radius A for this addendum. This is what the radius of addendum circle of the pinion. So O1L is equal to Ra. Okay, now O1M, this O1M we already find out. O1M is nothing but what? R into cos of phi. So here square will be there. So if we put the values, ML is equal to Ra square minus R square into cos square phi. So we got here value of ML. Okay, now next we have to find out the value of MP. So MP is nothing but what? If we want to find out the MP, this MP, if we take this triangle, so MP is nothing but what? O1P into cos sine of phi. Okay, take this triangle, the triangle will be like here. Okay, this O1 will be here, M will be here, and MP will be here. Okay, so we have to find out this MP. MP is nothing but what? This O1 into sine of phi. So O1P is nothing but what? We know that this is what the radius of the base circle of the pinion. So put here, so what we got here MP. Now we have to find out the length of path of contact. This is path of recess, and this path of recess is nothing but what? PL. This PL is nothing but what? Path of recess. This is nothing but what? This is what? Subtraction of ML minus MP. So we got here, this is nothing but PL is nothing but what? ML minus MP. So we got here the value of ML will be here, MP will be here. Put this value into this equation. So we got here PL is equal to under root small Ra square minus R square cos square phi minus small r into sine of phi. This is what your path of recess. Okay, so if we add the path of approach and path of recess, we got here path of contact. So we got here path of recess. In earlier derivation we got the path of approach. If we put the value both in the path of contact equation, we got the path of contact. So see here, so length of path of contact, the length of path of contact we see in here, this is what this KL, this KL is nothing but what, KP plus PL. So KP is nothing but what, path of contact, this KP, see here, this KP is what, path of contact, okay, and this PL, this PL is nothing but what, path of recess. Addition of these two, we got length of path of contact. This is nothing but what, the KL. So KL is equal to KP plus PL. So put the value of KP. KP is nothing but what, capital under root capital RA square minus capital R square cos square phi plus into again R, capital R into sin of phi will be there. We get common, we got we take this term common, okay. So see here, and again this capital again PL, what is the value of PL? This is under root small r square minus r square into cos square of phi, okay, plus again minus small r into sin of phi. If we take these terms common here in these two, we got here the value of KL. So KL is nothing but what, this term is nothing but what, the length of path of contact. This is a too much essential derivation to find out the length of path of contact. As a exam point of view, again the problems numericals based on this equation will be asked in examination. So this is a too much essential or important. From this equation we are going to find out the arc of contact of the two mating gears. So thank you very much for attending this lecture. If you want to know more videos about the theory of machine, then subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.